Hey everyone, welcome back again to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna explain how to delete messages on Messenger. So in order to do so, first of all, let's launch Messenger application on our mobile device. Right here. Now, if you want to delete a particular message from your chat, for instance, I want to delete this message, just tap on that particular message for a while and select the option of More. And you can see the option of unsend. Now, if you select this option, you can see two other various options popping up. If you tap on unsend for everyone, this message will be removed for you as well as the receiver. Now, if you tap on unsend for you, that message will be only deleted for you and the receiver will still get the message. So for now, I'm gonna select the option of unsend for everyone right here. Now, after doing this step, the message will be deleted for me as well as the other person. Now you can see that this message has been removed or deleted. Now, in case if you want to delete an entire chat box from your messenger, simply tap on the chat for a while and you will see the option of delete at the bottom. Just tap on this option of delete and you will be able to delete this chat from your messenger permanently. Now you have to be careful in this step because once you delete any chat from messenger, you cannot recover that particular chat. So you can see the message is deleted. And that's all for today. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for further tutorial videos.